Hi everyone, here is a quick market update to give you a little bit of info about what the spring market is like in 2024. We are in the peak of the season right now. Activity is picked up and we are launching listings every week. Now, what's different about this spring compared to earlier this year is that number one, interest rates have cooperated a little bit and they're hedging down a tiny bit. That gets buyers out there. Buyers are responding so quickly. And with that, this has become the year of freshening up homes before they go on the market. No longer are buyers willing to just accept a home in any condition just to get a home. There's more negotiation involved, and buyers are a little pickier with prices being at the higher end and interest rates being at the higher end. So with that, we have gone full force into getting homes freshened up before they go on the market. And that includes staging. You're catching me right now with a car full of goodies to go into one of our vacant listings and just add all the warm touches. So with home prep being so important, we actually put together a workshop, and I am inviting all of our clients, friends, and neighbors. You are all welcome to join us on May 29th. And this is going to be a workshop about how to remodel your home to add comfort and value. I will be a speaker for a presentation along with Lane Cooper from Cooper Design Build. And then we will have Steve Landis from Fairway Mortgage to talk about options on how to finance or pay for updating your home. And we'll go through some good, better, best scenarios and show you lots of case studies. So really before and after. We'll talk about just the basic things that need to be done to get your home fresh and updated, all the way down to an extensive remodel. There's so many different ways to approach it, and we'll give you options and talk about what really is making an impact to add value. So if you're doing this for yourself to enjoy and then eventually you want to sell, make sure that they are updates that really will add value and impact and make your home more sellable. So we're here to share lots of tips and tricks and give you a real good sense of cost involved and time commitment involved. So if you are interested or even just toying with the idea of freshening up your home, please join us May 29th, and all of the information is included in my newsletter. If you need anything having to do with real estate, please just say the word, call, text, message us anytime, and we are here to share information about the value of your property, recommend contractors, connect you with any resources you may need to make your home wonderful. Thanks so much.